Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Car trash can with lid bag hanging storage pockets, leak-proof organizer, collapsible and portable waterproof garbage bin, 2.6 gallons large capacity multipurpose bin 4. Large capacity and foldable, Beicarin Car Trash Can with lids measurements L 7.5 inch x H 11.5 x W 7.5. With a large storage capacity, you can throw all kinds of trash into it, while it gives you a clean and tidy car. When not in use, you can fold it for room saving. Superior durability and waterproof, the Beicarin Car Garbage Can is made of premium Oxford Polyester material. Thus, it is more firm and sturdy than similar products. The inside of the car trash bin has a waterproof lining that is durable and leak-proof, and it is easy to clean and wash. No more worrying about drink spills when you are in the car. Multifunction use, the car trash bag attaches with two side mesh pockets and front pocket. Which means this can be more than a trash can for garbage, a small cooler for drinks. It's also a car organizer, can be used for storage small stuff such as tissue, toys, bags, snacks, umbrella, etc. Thanks for watching and subscribe.